everybody. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. This is MakeCode Arcade Advanced Livestream. My name is Vivian. I'm at LiveStream on the MakeCode forums. Monday.
And I'm Richard on the MakeCode forums, and also I am Joey and Shannon.
Oh, nice. We've got the whole crew here.
Everyone's here together again.
I love it. Yep. Well, get used to it, I guess. Anyway, it is Monday. We are streaming, so then I thought since it was just me and Richard, we could pull up the mail game again if it loads. If it doesn't load because I opened things brokenly, that would be
so this is a good example of why you shouldn't open projects you make in beta in the main editor.
Okay, that's all right.
We have a share link, right?
Yeah, somewhere. Let me grab it. Here we go. Link. We're in beta still. Wow, I didn't even know that was a class. Oh, woodworking. That's crazy. Okay, import URL. Here's a URL. Go ahead. Ooh.
I think woodshop is a thing, right? Like I did, I don't think I actually did woodshop, but I did a class that was in the woodshop shop.
I think
it was like metal shop.
It might be different in different parts of the world because this sounds like a lot of woodworking. Okay, here's our mail game. Cool. So it's been a while, so let's take a look. What we have so far is we have buttons that you can press that will change the direction. We need to cover these up eventually. They'll change the direction of the conveyor belts. You are a mail sorting snail, and then what we have so far is we have a key for like what the bins represent. So this is for the 8/9 zip codes. This is for the 6 zip codes. And then we're going to need to add seals to the mail so you can tell which zip code it has. So it's going to be like a whole decoding situation. Another thing I want to do is have the mail loop around so that, if you don't deal with the mail, it comes back and you have to deal with it.
Should there be a thing like when you have X number of mail active, it's like game over?
Maybe, or maybe it's like you just want to improve your efficiency, or maybe something. Okay. I haven't decided.
It just seems like it would turn it. I feel like at a certain point you would reach a tipping point where you could no longer sort the mail because it's just like you have an infinite amount of mail.
Yeah, you don't want to get to that. Seems bad. So what are we gonna do? Wow, I've really forgotten how all of this code works. I guess we don't have a way to bump it to the left, which is what we're gonna need if we're gonna have the mail loop back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is have the mail loop back because I think that'd be funny, and then we'll just make it go.
No, you have a way to do that.
We don't have going left. We only have going right, up and down.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah,
I see.
Because it was not a relevant direction before. That's good enough. Left. Ooh, okay, let's make this shorter. It would be nice if one direction was like this is an expressway and this is like a slow way, and you can like maybe coordinate that. That'd be kind of fun. Yeah, that'd be fun. Okay, this will be the expressway, and that does not mean highway. And then let's do that. Okay, sure. And then let's do this. Let's move everything over one, and by everything, let's everything. And then put this one here, bring some track down along here. Oh, I forgot we had a blue bin here. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what this looks like. Hi, Joseph. What's up? I'm in USA, so it's probably different. Wow, you guys are chatting so much. I have not been keeping up. Somebody in chat, please give me a summary of the chat so far. I have not been looking. Okay, we have the mail.
We're talking a lot about different types of Austrian school systems, which is interesting, but I don't know if I can summarize it with justice. Just read back the Davix thing.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we didn't code up the left. That makes sense. So let's do that. Okay, so let's just copy this. Well, actually, let's copy over the right direction one.
They don't use they don't use A, B, C, D, E. Or A, B, C, D, F for grades in Austria. They use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh, which one's best?
1 is best.
Oh. Golf rules. Anyway, so we call
it is golf rules.
Okay. Last week we were talking about like the best versions of golf. How would you rank golf? I feel like mini golf, driving.
So
Yeah.
let's define everything first.
Yeah.
What the different types of golf are: golf and mini golf. Is there another one
Golf,
I'm
mini
thinking of?
golf, driving range, Mario Party golf. Kiwi Phoenix was there. You can drop them in chat. Oh, okay, cool. It's going up. And then we're going excellent. Oh, I love the little bounce back. It looks so cool. Bounce. And then let's watch it go back down. Oh, we also want to do events, like postal events, like, Valentine's. Oh, excellent. That's mail. Okay, great. We're going to have an issue. Okay, we're going to fix the issue by just rearranging our tile map. So the issue was we couldn't have two paths converge in here because it wouldn't work. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to have two paths. So we're going to have a one like this. Oops. And then we'll have another one coming around, maybe like back here. And then we'll have this and this. And then let's just make this other path right now.
It seems as though consensus, which I also agree with in chat, is that Wii Sports Golf is the best golf.
I really like driving range golf. I feel like it's better than regular golf. Maybe better than mini golf.
Oh no, it is for sure better than regular golf, but better than Wii Sports Golf?
Wii Sports Golf, maybe. I feel like if I was doing Wii Sports, I like bowling. I don't remember ever doing the golf. But it's been
bowling
a while.
And golf. No, all of the Wii Sports games ruled. What am I saying?
Yeah. Okay.
Boxing. Boxing kind of one.
There's some stream lag. Where do you see the lag? I believe you. This my tone of voice isn't directed towards you, it's directed towards the lag. How dare the stream lag. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so we've got some letters going up. Get some letters going down. Excellent. Oh my gosh, imagine what if the game is more like design a post system to be like sorting the mail nicely. We could put in some logic things like, that's too much work. But I really like this designing feature. It's been quite, we've got some stray mail here. Okay, so we got to make it bounce to the right, and then we didn't put a bounce there. Understandable. So let's fix this. We've got to put in this here, and we could just get rid of this, and then put it, put it here, and then let's do this.
I feel like they didn't design this post office in the most efficient way possible.
What would you say the most efficient post office would be?
Like, I don't know, less turns.
But the turns is to buy you time, right? So you're like, oh yeah, send this away. That's a problem for another day.
So they're preparing for the I Love Lucy scenario.
Yeah, that was based off of.
You're missing an arrow. To the left of the first button. You need a right arrow.
Left of the first button.
If you
this one?
Left. Right there.
I see.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll add that. Okay, so what are we going to do instead now? Let's move this key to be out of the way, because right now it is quite in the way. Cannot see anything. Should we design another kind of button? Because there's like a T button here right now. Let's add some seals to the mail keys, because...
Yeah, I think we should get the main thing done first,
Yeah, but right now it's like... Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's do the seals. So let's do a new letter. Let's do a function. Let's add the function. Let's do a number. And it's going to be seal color. Do we want to do seal color, or do we want to do... Let's do zip code. Zip code. Yes, and then we'll do... if if the zip code is equal to something, then we'll do something. That's what we'll do. Yep.
Yeah. This is definitely the easiest way for us to be able to read the code later.
Yeah, I like this. So zip code to color. Wait, let's make a function for this. Function zip code to color conversion. And it's going to be a number. It's going to be zip code. And then we're going to return a number here. Okay. And then we'll say, let's just say the zip codes are going to start. Let's just make it simple. Let's just send in like 896. And then maybe eventually we'll have like the full 5-digit zip code. And then we can do some math to like get the first one. But I feel like that's unnecessary.
We can
right
always
now.
just. Sure, yeah.
What were you going to say?
Oh, I was going to say, we can always just multiply by 1,000 and then add a random number.
That's true. Yeah. To like generate zip codes, right?
Yep.
Yeah. But, so let's see. Let's do zip code is 8, 9, else this. Okay. So let's do the returns. We're just hard coding it. And then let's see what our key was. So if the zip code is 8 or 9, then we are orange. So let's figure out what color orange is. It's a really convoluted system. 4. So we're returning 4 here. 4.
Vivian, did you ever experience dial-up?
Yeah, I had dial-up. Did you have dial-up?
Okay. I did have dial-up. We're having a lot of discussion in the chat about internet speed. And I feel like kids today maybe never got to have dial-up.
Oh. I was arguing with my cousin yesterday. She says I identify more as Gen Z than as a millennial. And then she's like solidly Gen Z. And she was like, yeah, you can't be a Gen Z. You don't have the Gen Z vibes.
I mean, I looked up the ranges, Vivian, and you're not Gen Z.
The ranges differ.
You're a millennial.
You can't tell me.
I don't know.
Okay.
Pretty official.
What's
it's not that bad being a millennial.
I don't think I'm a millennial, though. I don't identify with.
We have arthritis. You know, our backs are starting to give out. Because we're so old. And we're always yelling about kids to get off our yards.
Do you own yards? Is that millennial thing, owning yards?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Sure. Of course. What are we going to do? Do we have sprite utils yet? Let's import in arcade sprite util. So jwonderl/arcade sprite util. Do this. And then we're getting the image, like draw image to thing. Whoa. Bad network quality. My internet might be bad today. Sorry, everybody.
Yeah, that's why the internet discussion came up.
Yeah. Let's see. Draw blank to image. And then let's take this into our function. Where's my function? Excuse me? Is it this one? Yes. Okay. Gen Z is 1997 to 2012. I was told somewhere else that it's like also 1995 or 96. I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of in between. But I feel more Gen Z than the millennial for sure. But I don't know if I'm fully
Denial is a classic millennial thing.
Yeah? You know? Okay. Let's do fill circle and image. And then let's make a new image. Create image.
Wait, you're going to fill... Don't you just want to like set 1 pixel?
I kind of wanted to do like a 2x2 circle.
Oh, okay.
We'll see if that's too big.
We'll see how the circle thing handles that. It might be good.
Sure. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's do mail stamp image. And then let's do this here. New image. 2x2. Actually, let's just fill this in if it's 2x2. Fill picture width. And then what picture is it? It's going to be mail stamp image. And then what color is it going to be? Well, we're going to use our very useful function. Zip code to color conversion. And we're going to pass in the zip code. Before we forget, let's edit our function. Well, we're already calling the function, but where's my on game update? Hello? I wish the blocks would just come to me when I wanted it instead of, wait, no, collapse blocks, format code. There we go. Wait, no, it's not forever? Forever, yeah. Oh. Wait, is this new? Reading the words after the forever? It looks new. Call new letter. We'll have an array. We'll pick random value. Get random value. And then we'll put in a list. Put some numbers in here. Math. Put this. 8, 9. Final one, 6. There. Now we have valid zip codes. 8, 9, and 6.
Yep.
Collapse.
That's definitely the way you should write those numbers in order.
It's random anyway. Doesn't matter. Let's see. What else are we doing? Let's bring. Where is it? New letter. All these words are really overwhelming me. Okay, so let's do this. Zip code, mail stamp image with the color, and then we're going to use this block. Get rid of this if. We'll do mail stamp image, duplicate, to the new mail image. New mail at, let's do it here, I guess. 3, 4. See what it looks like. Code is free, so we can try it as much as we want. Don't have to really think about it. Okay, so we've got a yellow stamp. Looks great. Orange. Easy. Great. Love. Okay, so now the other issue.
Are these meant to be stamps or those old-timey wax seals?
Yeah, like the seals.
Okay.
But it could, it's like a 2x2 square. You can really imagine it to be whatever kind of post office administration you want it to be. They could be attaching like stickers to it. Okay, so the issue right now, we could have made a little cross one like we did here. That's all right. Okay, so right now it's like really sailing past the bins. So what we need to do is have it when it overlaps the bin to be like stop. Okay, to make things easier for when we're checking the mail, let's do in the new letter one, let's attach some data to it, right? Let's set the data as a number, and let's say the zip. Wow, I'm touching the wrong key. Zip to number zip code, and it's going to be for the new mail. Then when we do like an on sprites overlaps, sprite of kind letter overlaps. Do we want to make the bins? It might be interesting if we do like the bins as sprites, and then we could also attach other things, but we can also just do this. Let's just do this at first, and we'll just copy code. We'll do of sprite letter overlaps orange bin at location. First let's stop them, right? Because they're like sailing past. We got to make them stop moving. That's the position one. Go in here, get the velocity one set to 0. 0, 0. And then we'll copy the functions at the end when everything's written, so it doesn't really have to change. Okay. Oh! Sorry, we also need to be making green seals. Excuse me. Wow, this key is so confusing. Okay, zip code to color conversions. If zip code is 8, we're looking at the wrong key. This is the issue. If it's 8, then it needs to be red, not orange. And what color is red?
Yeah. It's almost like the keys are confusing, like someone intentionally made them to be confusing.
Yeah, it's weird. Let's make this 2, and then this one needs to be green, not yellow. Excuse me. Which is 7.
7? Yes!
There we go. Much better. some more colorful mail coming through now. So let's see. What we want to see is when this mail hits this, goes up to the bin, it stops moving. Not that difficult. Really, all we're asking for. Excellent. Great. Love that. A+. We'll take it. Good enough. And then, so let's have like a function, maybe, that's like evaluate mail. Or maybe we'll just evaluate the mail right now. If something, but also let's remember to destroy the sprite because that would look cool. So destroy the sprite. Okay, so what do we want to check? We want to check to see the zip code number is the correct one for the current bin. So orange. Okay, wait, no, it's okay. It's 8 or 9, so we'll bring out an or. And then we need to bring out a sprite data.
Phoenix has a fun suggestion.
Yeah, what's up?
Which is when you destroy the letters, scale them down until they disappear and then destroy them.
Yes, love. And then we're testing things. A+.
Yeah. Plus, if they like scale down to disappear, it's like they're falling into the bin.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that. And then, Okay, I think, okay, let me just say, let's just do the points first. Change score by 1, else change score by -1. So this means it's correct. Otherwise, it's incorrect. Let's see if that's working. Green, that should give us some negative points. Love starting off the day. Wait, actually, green is 600. Yeah, that's negative points. And then red, that's good. -1, bring us back to 0. Orange is going to take us to 1. Yeah, so in general, I feel like, percentage-wise, we should just point it up because, 60% of the time, 66 will be good. But let's make it look cool. So let's do this. Let's go sprites. We'll set sprite kind. Here we go. And so, here. Wow, much lower than I thought. So get rid of this destroy and set sprite kind to be of kind shrinking. Let's just say shrinking because we could use this effect on many things. And then we'll do an on-game update. No, on-game update every 500. Changes to be 200. We'll loop over all kinds of shrinking. And we'll just change
this. This is much better than my idea of how to do this.
What was your idea?
Oh, it was dumb. It was to just use the timers extension and do like a while loop or something. It was much better.
Yeah, I think this was on my mind because I think I wanted to do something similar last week when we were doing buttons and having like a continuous shrinking effect, and that was my idea. But for buttons, you could just really just grow them and shrink them. So we didn't get to use it last week, but today we're using the good ideas. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna get the scale. If scale x is equal, is there a 0? It's equal to 0. Then we'll destroy it. Or if it's less than or equal, let's do this. Less than or equal to 0.4. Then we'll destroy it. Else, we'll change it by like -0.1. See how that works. Change scale. Oh, excellent. This. I really never scrolled that far down to see. Most fun song to sing, like karaoke, just in general.
Just in general, I think.
Ooh, okay. Did I not put a negative in? This is freaky.
Take On Me is fun because you have the part where it's like, take me out.
But it's so high.
And then you like keep going until you get to the really high part, and then you're just like, and then all your friends hate you.
Okay, can I propose Mr. Brightside? All one note.
Oh, that is also a very fun song.
You're just shouting and jumping. Excellent. Oh, excellent. Yeah. Oh, the scale is so fun. It looks like you're just kind of like folding the paper.
I missed it.
It's going.
Oh, that looks great.
Yeah, we should
maybe we should move it up the tile.
Yeah, we
can do it.
Yeah, we can do that. Oh, wow. You know how, like, I don't know if it's myth or truth that you can't fold the paper more than 7 times. This is what this looks like to me. You're folding it until it explodes when you're pressing it with a hydraulic press. That's how your mail gets dealt with.
I feel like if you fold it more than 7 times, it probably doesn't explode. But I think that is basically true.
No, it's really difficult to fold more than 7 times. And to do it, you need to use a hydraulic press, and then it explodes.
I think the other way to do it is just use something really, really long, like toilet paper. But I feel like that's counted. That's cheating.
Yeah, you should start a competitive hydraulic press channel and be like, yeah, I never need to use a hydraulic press. Can just do it myself. Put this here, then it should snap to the bin before it starts getting folded. While we're watching this, I'm going to eat my candy.
Aw, what candy is it?
It's a mango haichu. I have a line of candy outside.
I love haichu.
I've been putting these out on the candy outside my house for the neighborhood youths to eat, and they all hate the mango. They eat around the mango. They'll eat every flavor. So I've been eating.
Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I mean, I can't be like, why aren't you eating the candy I want you to eat? I'll just eat the mango. Okay, this looks great. Let's send it. Okay. Copy. Yellow. Wow. And then here, instead of the or, let's drag this out. But this is 6. Let's see. His arms are a hydraulic press. There are liquids in your arms. Don't really know what the hydraulic means in hydraulic press. This is the wrong direction.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Stop everything. Kiwi Phoenix has never heard of haichu? Okay. So, haichu is kind of like Starburst, but way better. It's like fruit candy that you often buy in like a stick, like you do with Starburst. And you get like a bunch of individual wrapped pieces inside. And they have like one color on the outside and one color on the inside. And they're just really chewy and delicious. And the best flavor is kiwi.
They have a lot of flavors now too. And sometimes you can buy them in packs, and then they have like different flavor themes. So I think I might need to buy some new packs so they can get some new flavors. You want to see my wrapper? Looks like this.
Sure.
Oh. Okay, this looks great. It's working. Let's send some down this way. Because this is fun, because you might accidentally send it that way while you're trying to switch between the two. And then you have to deal with it. Oh, that's going the wrong way. Oops.
We have a question. Is it like a West Coast thing? I never encountered haichu until I moved to the West Coast, so it's possible.
It's like an Asian thing. They have them in like H Marts and stuff. So
But they have them in regular grocery stores here too.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's getting more popular,
it's
right?
From Japan.
Right. Okay, this mail is looking great. So, what should we do now?
You can probably find it in the international section of your grocery store, though.
Yeah, depending on where you're from. I really just love this. Should we increase? No. Okay. Well, should we increase the amount of mail coming through? Oh, we should fix this button. That's what we should do. Right now, this button is extremely broken because you can go this direction, which is not a valid direction. So let's code that up first. Go into the tile map.
We also wanted to make it so that the tracks were like sprites, you could walk under them.
Oh,
and they
right.
had, like a shadow.
Yeah, let's do that. That'd be cool too. So right now we have this T to help us understand which direction the button should go. At the time, that was fine.
Says, is it like chewy gum stuff that you can swallow? Yes, kind of. It's not as chewy as gum, but you can swallow it. And it was originally, I think, meant to be a replacement for gum.
Yeah, it does dissolve every time you, like, add more saliva to it. So.
Yeah.
We have a lot of stuff like that. Oh, I might have seen that candy before at, like, Cracker Barrel, but never really knew if it was good, so never bought it. It's kind of fun. I like the flavors. I think the flavors are very, very, very flavorful.
Yeah, I think it's just great on all accounts. A plus in texture, A plus in flavors.
Yep. Agree. What am I doing? So let's see. On A button pressed. Nope. Collapse block. Oh, it's in setup tile map. That's probably what. Yes. Excellent. So let's do let's rename this first. Rename. And it's gonna be up, right, down direction options. It's fine. Ignore. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna read this code. Mail spitter to cover it up. Yes. And then yup. That's great. And then let's do this one. Let's copy this. Let's get rid of the direction we don't want. Put the direction we do want. Shorten it. New variable. Up, down, direction, options. Wait, what's everybody's favorite kind of candies? Put it in the chat. Any plans for...
I think Haichu probably is my favorite, because my favorite used to be Starburst, but then one time my friends for my birthday made me a giant Richard mural with Starburst, and I ate too many of them, and now I can never eat Starburst again.
Oh.
And Haichu is just better than that, and I still like Haichu, so I think Haichu is my favorite candy. And you know I don't eat chocolate, so.
Yeah. I really like Kit Kats. Big fan. Okay, what else are we doing?
Kit Kats were my favorite chocolate when I did eat chocolate. Kit Kats are great.
Pretty good. Yeah, I like the crunch. Okay, let's see. So this one is an issue because we have the up, right, down direction options. This is where so last week we mentioned in passing, we might need a double array situation. We chose to ignore it because we did not need it at the time, but we need it now. So let's bring out the array, and then let's make a new variable. What's it going to be called? Different kinds of button directions. You'll see where this is going. So, yeah.
What would you say your least favorite candy is? And let me just take the obvious ones off the table. No Nico wafers. No those Fireball cinnamon ball things. And no Whoppers.
What? People like Whoppers.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Those were always the things at the end of the Halloween trading for us.
Well.
Thanks
to you.
Mrs. Robinson.
Let's set this data. Okay, right. Oh, sorry. We did the double array. We're not using it yet. So what are we going to do? We're going to set the data of the button. Corresponding button. Just so that we don't have to, fetch something twice. Data. And then we're going to do direction index. And then we're going to say this one's 0. So this means when we push the button, we're going to choose from the arrays, the first array. These are the options we have for the directions. So then when we do this over here, we're going to say it's 1. So we can choose from the second arrays. And then here, this is not correct. What are we going to do for our array instead? We're going to make a variable just so we can see it. Direction options. Set this here, and then we're going to get the value as a number. Wait, direction. Okay, so it's the buttons, and then what do we call it? Direction index. I did not type that in. Direction index. So this is getting us the array. No, this is getting us the number. So then we're going to get value at this. And then we need to get this from different kinds of button directions. This is the array we're going to use. So let's get this. And then direction as number. Direction. And then update spitter direction. Oh, we have to use it there too. Get value at this. Okay, and then let's just, do we want to, we can pass in the array here. I'm going to share this because I'm scared of the arrays. I'm going to put this in the chat, and then we're going to put the array in as a function, and then see if it's okay. Tootsie Rolls don't taste good, stick to your mouth, and can't eat them because you have braces. Ah, yeah, braces. Difficult. Maybe Dum Dums. Dum Dums are pretty bad. There's only like a
They're
few.
Not that bad. There's some good flavors of Dum Dums.
There's a few, but I'd rather have like other stuff.
Well, see, my problem with Tootsie Rolls is that Tootsie Roll Pops are delicious, but then you get to the center and there's a Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, maybe I'm just like not a sucker fan in general because it's just like would rather.
What about the ones with the safety things where it's a little loop?
I don't know what that is.
Like the safety sticks, and it's like a loop instead of a stick. They're fun. You never encountered this?
Probably. I just can't picture it right now. Well, this is a different color. Okay, so let's see. We're passing in the array. We're getting the value at, so we're getting the right arrays, and then we're getting the direction. We set the direction here, and then let's just see what it looks like. So here we should get up and down. Excellent. Here we're coding geniuses. We did it, guys. Easy peasy. Okay, and now should we fix the tile map? Should we cover up all of these with the appropriate cover?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. It's going to be some more tile map logic, which is good. Let's do and set up tile map. Then it's going to be like, how does this mailroom even work? We don't know. Oh, actually, maybe we should think about how we're doing the levels of the mailroom to have it look tall, which means we're covering everybody over with tile with sprites, maybe. Or no, the tile map's also at a z index. Never mind. We can just change everybody else's z index. Okay, so in the meantime, let's go into setup tile map. Collapse code. No, collapse blocks. Format code. Setup tile map. Here we go. And then let's do a for element. And then let's do array.
I don't think I could make a game where we murder Tootsie Rolls because Hassan would be upset with me because I've argued extensively with Hassan about Tootsie Rolls. He likes them.
That's wild. Tootsie Rolls I feel like are middling, pretty average candies for me.
Bottom tier, absolute bottom.
Okay, so let's see. This is going to be get us a nice looking tile image. And then we're going to put in column and row. Because it doesn't matter what thing we currently are if we want to check the things around you. I don't know. Let's do this. And then let's say function. Call us our function. Ooh, actually, let's do a scene. Set this here. And then let's return something in the meantime so that we can get the nice round thing. And then let's just put in this. So let's get rid of this and then put in the round one here. And then we got to get the column and row because we can't pass in locations right now. So let's do this. Column, copy, paste, row. And then put in the location here, and then we should get a bunch of transparent things every time we want. Yes, okay. Actually, now I'm thinking we should probably do the cover at. So let's see. Cover all. Oh. Is there a cover one? No. Let's make a new sprite then. Sprite. Let's make a new kind, cover. Let's put this in here. And then let's put it, rename variable, new variable, yeah. Tile cover. And let's put it on top of this location. Tile cover. Cool. It's not working because it's transparent. Let's make it this one. Cool. Excellent. So now we have to write the logic for this. So, if, it's going to be a big if statement, isn't it? We're going to check the directions. Wait, is there a good way to know? Because, okay, let's see. If we're somewhere and we're only touching one side to a path, then that means we want it to be floor. If we're touching multiple sides, then we want it to be something else. Let's just do that. So let's do a count. Okay, let's make a variable. It's count how many, what are these called? Lanes we are touching. And it's going to be 0. And we're going to say if the tile to the top, tile at location, okay, let's do this one. And let's do column +1. And then just the straight up row. Oops. Is, and then let's do this one. Oh yeah, that's right. If it's not this, because I want to count the other way, I guess I could just change the variable name, but I don't want to. So change it by 1. And then instead of doing an else, let's just do copy and paste, because that's how it should be. And let's do plus a -1 is that, then change it by 1. And let's do this over here, and then drag this out, put you back, and then put you back. And then let's make this just a regular one. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? If this number is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1, that's a Q, 1, we want to return this one, else we will return, ooh, there's overlap here. I don't know if Lockley's always look like this. I don't know. Maybe that's okay. Otherwise, let's just return this blank one. We won't worry about the edges correctly yet. Oh, right. So that's not going to work because we need a tile that's not transparent. So let's just drag out a tile map block. 8x8, which is in here. Tile map, 8x8 tile map. Get in here. My tiles. Make another one. Oops. Fill it in with tan. I guess we could just throw this away now. And then here, instead of doing that one, we return tan to cover it up. Tan to cover it up. Cool. It covered it up. And let's do it for all of the arrows. So instead of tile map, here, and then let's just do it for the down direction. There's lots of arrows that direction. Play. Oops. Play. Okay, all the down direction arrows are gone. Oh, up direction arrow is the only one that's in a thing, so let's check that one next. Set up tile map. Copy this for loop. Put it here. Go up. See what it looks like. Oh my gosh, looks so good. Oh, this one's touching too because it's a corner. And then so I guess we should just check to see if it's a corner. What a pain. I guess the only time we want to have something is if it's in two opposite directions. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back and change our code. So we'll do else if is equal to 2. Then, ooh, that disappeared. Ooh, did we ever file that bug? Maybe I need to file that bug. Let's do an if, else. And then let's do we want to check to see if it's the opposite ones that are the thing. Otherwise, otherwise it's a corner. So let's do this. And add a comment. To do. File bug about disappearing blocks when dragging. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna see if the thing at the top and the bottom are both the thing. So which ones are the tops and the bottoms? It's the row, it's these two. Let's do the not. And then we're going to drag out an or. And then get rid of this. Copy this. Get rid of these two. And then copy the other two. Put these in. And then put this in this giant block. So road trip over here. Oh my gosh. Drag this. Here. Perfect. And then put this in here. Oh no. Where did my block go? I can't do this if it's disappearing. Okay, let's put this in here. Let's zoom out. This will do it. Here. There we go. And then if it's this one, let's do this one. Else it's the tan one. And if this is not right, then we'll flip it and we'll see. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. This one didn't work. Okay. Where is our crazy if statement? Oh, it's this one. It doesn't look too crazy when you zoom out.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Okay, so if tile at
I've definitely made longer blocks than this.
Oh, let's just get rid of the not, because it's basically, if it's 2, then it has to be like this. And tile at this is this. That means we are a valid, length thing. So we're going to do that. Or tile at this is this. And tile at that is that. See if this works. Return this, else return that. Okay, so why is this case not working? Let's change this first to be like something crazy so we know that it's like, maybe we should do like, yeah, that's fine. Just to make sure that this is the case that we're hitting. Okay, it's not the case we're hitting. So it's probably hitting this case. Let's change this to be this. How many lanes are we touching? By 1. If tile at let's console log the location and then also how many things we're touching. So we'll do a text join here, and then we'll do column slash plus row and then plus, and then we'll print out how many, let's do a colon too for formatting, and let's do a plus. Ooh, it got tall. And put this in here so we can see And we want to inspect. Well, maybe we'll inspect all of them. Open the console. Okay, 0, 5. Which ones? Well, they disappeared. 1, 1, 1. Okay, these are all normal values. So let's figure out the one we actually want to look at. So it's this one. Let's open up the tile map, get out of the console. Oh my gosh. Go back. It's gonna be it's gonna be in the setup tile map. Nope, it's gonna be on the on start. On start, open this up, check this. 16 by 6. Let's see. 16 by 6 is 2. It counts 2. Okay. Suspicious. Then if it's counting 2, then it should be returning this. Else if, this should be equals to 2. Wow, that's silly. Oh my gosh. Easy. Fixed. Let's see. It looks great. Amazing. Oh my gosh, we could even fix this thing now with our if statement, because we have the cases to say like if it's the left, right, or up, down one. So let's do that. Let's get rid of these to clean up our workspace. And then we can just make this a 3-part if, right? Okay, let's drag this out. This also means we get rid of this giant if, which is great. So if the tile is, okay, so this is calm. So this is the sideways one. If this is blank and this is blank, that means the roads is up and down. So we're returning the one with the up, down here. Else, we're returning the ones left, right. Else, it's blank. Perfect. Amazing. A+. Look at that. We should probably fix the corners, but that's just on us. Well, okay, I feel like it'd be cool to have some like stats about it, and also if it was difficult to see the mail keys, but maybe we don't do that. Okay, let's see. So, oh wait, we can do the Z index things too. So let's do. Let's set the snail's Z index to be pretty low. Set snail Z to be.
Oh, I forgot we named him Sneal.
Right, me too. This is why we name our variables nicely, so then we can have history. Okay.
The snail.
Snail is below our tile map, easy peasy. And then let's also bring all the buttons below too. So set, that's going to be in setup tile map. Here we go. Let's set a variable, snail Z index to be -10. Put it in here. And then over here, when we have the buttons, let's grab out a set index. Put corresponding button. And then set the Z. And what's it going to be? We're going to grab out a math, -1. And then use our variable, snail Z index. Copy, paste up here. On top of the buttons, below the tracks. Looking great. Do we want to, I see. But we also have these tile map covers that are secret. So let's fix that. Let's go. Yeah, let's just do another loop. Let's do this one. Put it down here. We'll go array of all kinds of sprites of kind cover. And then let's set the Z index to be low. Can I just paste it again? Oh, nice. Here. Let's make it -10. You're never going to want to see that.
Never going to want to. But never gonna wanna.
Oh, we have an issue now because since we set that z-index to be low, it doesn't cover up anymore. It's an ineffective cover.
You set the z-index of what to be low?
So we're covering all of these arrows with sprites. So then maybe we should just if we use the actual.
You want to set the z-index to be high, right?
No, because for these ones it's on the ground, so it needs to be low.
Oh, I see.
Right, but it's
lower.
I
don't think there's a way to do this.
So my question, okay, so if we use the cover all block, does that also have like the z-index to be
cover with transparent doesn't work?
No, I know.
I should probably redo that block so it does.
Okay, I'm just saying if we did this, okay, well, let's just, let's not worry about it. Yeah, we'll just be covered up by the floor sometimes. That's gonna be okay.
Yeah, I think the way to do this would be to instead of using the tile map, just make the tile map a low z-index like it normally is, and then make sprites on top of the tiles that just don't do anything. They just cover everything up,
Yeah. But let's see. In the meantime, what do we want to do? Do we want to add some more mail stats? Wait, okay. I'm going to send out a share link to you guys. You guys try it out and let me know what you think and what we should add. Because I feel like, snail mail, it's working. We've got the base. Maybe we should have maybe we should have the letters spawn.
We should snail meal.
Snail meal, true.
You know what you could do instead is for the side things, the arrows, cover them up with bits of the world.
Yeah.
Like random, like stuff you would find in a mail sorting place.
Yeah, we could do that too. It could just be random. I'm also realizing we have no way to indicate what direction it is, which I think is kind of fun. You just have to remember.
That's a good point.
Yeah. Okay, I also feel like there should be a bigger... Oh, I remember what I want to do. There should be a bigger indicator of if you got it correct or not, so you can immediately tell. So let's do that. Let's do a function.
Just FYI, we're pretty close to 2.
Yeah, I can do this in 2 minutes. Plus 1 effect. Set on sprite, mail. And then, okay, let's make a new sprite. Let's do it to be like green sparkles. Well, I should not have made that an odd number. Cool. Let's set that to be at the same place. And we can use Joey's hack, which is placing it here with 0 distance and 0 angle. Let's set the velocity of it to be upwards.
Yeah.
And then
I gotta start doing that more often.
Right, it's so fast. -10, and also let's give it some lifespan, and then it'll disappear. Lifespan. 1 second, and let's make this a new kind effect. And let's call our function. What are we doing this? We're going to do this when we're changing a score, and that's going to be in our overlap. So let's do collapse blocks, format code. Letter overlaps. It's one of these. Well, it's not that one. Is it this one? Excellent. That's 1. That's 2. Great. And let's call our function. +1 effect. Here on this, and then here, copy it over. We're going to just trust that the sprite is correct. No fresh blocks. See if it looks good. And then red is 800, so it's going upstairs. That's fine. Let's show us some +1s. Easy peasy. And let's just, since it's 2 o'clock, so let's do our outros. I'll make the negative effect, and then we'll call it a day. So thanks everybody for joining us today on a Monday. Hold on, sorry. +1 but negative. I'm Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard and Shannon and Joey at Richard at Chakao and at J Wonderl on the forum.